Is it a good idea just to have a bookkeeper? Quite honestly, they're great at a lot of things, but they're not going to be well suited for a venture-backed startup company. They can help you with the board meetings, they can help you with budgeting. So you really need a little bit more expertise. You need more of that strategic focus.
There's a process involved in basically accounting for departmental costing, understanding your cash flows, both historical, and then helping you understand the budget and forecast for cash flows going forward. And that's where we really lend a hand. And CFOs like myself understand what angels, super angels, and VCs expect to see in that budget and the way that you compare actuals to budget, et cetera.
With a cousin that's a bookkeeper, they can do a great job of letting you know where you stand from a cash basis, how much cash you have in the bank, but you're not going to have financials that will enable you to raise money with serious investors and with serious partners.
A lot of companies and founders that we meet do leverage and use bookkeeping services. Again, that's nothing wrong with using a bookkeeping service for a very finite time period. We recommend hiring Countsy or a firm like us that's providing more of an accounting service. Bookkeeping is essentially the recording of transactions and journal entries, but it, again, only takes you so far. You're not going to get financial statement preparation. You're not going to get the strategic advice that you need, especially if you have outside investors that want more sophisticated data points on the business.
Some bookkeepers are really competent and get you a long way towards being GAAP compliant. But bookkeepers are just that. They're keeping your books. They're not providing that sort of oversight to your finance function. They're not producing GAAP financials. They're certainly not doing financial planning. So there's a lot of things a bookkeeper cannot do for you.